Hey, I'm Luis Sant. I'm the head of sales at Mailshake, and I am excited to be here with you sharing exactly how we use Mailshake to recruit new sales development representatives. And it's a great process that we've developed over time and is saving a ton of time in the recruitment front. So we've created this job description. We're looking for SDRs that have 1 to 3 years of experience. They're personable, coachable, but have also worked remotely before. Granted, this quarantine has, given that skill to everybody without a choice. Ideally, we're looking for over a year of remote work experience, and any prior CRM experience is fantastic, and knowledge of our space, sales engagement, and utilizing these sales automation tools is a big plus. So this is our job description. We've had 100 applicants so far here, over 100, but what we're looking for is good talent. So we're going to go out and message people that we think will be a great fit for this role rather than just waiting for them to come to us. And something I've read in a book actually called the Mathematics of Love is if you don't do the approaching, you're left with the least worst option that approaches you. So it behooves you to go and do some prospecting, go and target new potential hires that could add a ton of value for your company, especially if you're on in a diversity initiative. If I look at the 100 applicants that we have, over 80% were male. And for us, it's very important to really have a good applicant pool of diverse backgrounds. So we ask our employees as well to go and help us recruit candidates that are will help add diversity to our team. So after we've generated our list here, we upload them into Mailshake, and we have this copy ready to go. We created this campaign, and what this campaign allows us to do is quickly create copy for a LinkedIn invite. And we've found that these LinkedIn invitations are working out a lot better in terms of response rate than emails. There's no scientific data behind that, but anecdotally, I'm more likely to respond to an impressive LinkedIn invite than an email, which I know is mostly generic. So this is the message what we're using. So some of this is borrowed from the sales acceleration formula. And also our founder, Sujin Patel, has hired hundreds of people and helped out a lot with this strategy as well. So it continues to evolve, which is super exciting. Marissa, impressive background. We're expanding our inbound sales team at Mailshake, and your background is similar to those for top performers. Are there any folks in your network who are in the job market and have a similar background to yours? Sent. So now I can mark this as complete, and I can jump onto the next task. Now we have Nicholas here. We can quickly connect, add a note. It's already copied, pasted. Mark as complete. Next task. Connect. Mark as complete. Now I'm on task number 4. So you can see how much faster it is to go and recruit 100, 200 people a day. And this is exactly how we hired our last sales development representative. We had sent a message to an SDR, and that SDR referred over his girlfriend. We're expanding our outbound sales team at this point, and Steven referred over Maggie Bloom, which was a fantastic referral, and it's turned out to be a great hire for us, and Steven remains a friend of the company. So really great message that's not very aggressive, and they're either going to respond saying they know somebody, they don't know anybody, they are interested, or no thank you. And depending on what you have calibrated next, you can say no thank you for what? I'm asking if you know anybody. If you do, here's the job description. And I usually send a LinkedIn post for that so they can easily like it and tag somebody in it rather than the AngelList posting. And this has worked out really well for us. And we're about to hire our 4th sales rep, and it's going to be with this strategy. So hope this helps. And this is how we use Mailshake to go and recruit new sales development representatives.